Is this the reversal that we're waiting for crypto stocks to reverse? Because if you don't know, we have a huge selling pressure for Mara, almost 50%. And now, finally, the first time we have this accumulation since few days. Let me just show you exactly what happened. Last short open was around 11th of January, and now is 25th of January. So almost 2 weeks of selling pressure for Mara. And we didn't have accumulation. You see here, huge red candle, a bit of buying pressure, huge red candle, green, but we didn't hold. The short is still shorting. But finally, last Friday, we have the first signal over our support that we discussed before, the 1428, and we have accumulation. The same for Coinbase. We have the same selling pressure happen around the 11th of January, and then we have a selling pressure that didn't stop until last Friday. And we have a bit of accumulation right now for Coinbase. Riot, the same reaction, 11th of January, and you see we have accumulation since Friday. So Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So almost 1 week of consolidation. In today's video, we have to discuss where the reversal will start. The first signal for all of them, for all those crypto stocks, because once they jump, guys, they jump really big. Look at this. Let me just give you an example for Riot. Last time that we have selling pressure was in last July last year, and we've got the same selling pressure and even more, guys, before the earnings. Boom, we have 57% down. Then the price accumulated here, then we have a huge buying pressure. So we have to confirm for today's video where the first signal for reversal, so we enter around the bottom like it happened back in October before huge buying pressure. You know, Riot, when it jumped 100%. It's not a joke, not 10% or 20, 100, 200, 300 is easy for Riot and other crypto stocks to jump high enough. So in today's video, we have to discuss this, the first signal for entry, and where's the bottom, and where the profit taken for all those crypto stocks. However, before we start our video, press the like button and the way in. And as usual, if you don't like our video, dislike it, but please let us know in comment section below why you don't like our video in order to improve and grow. Because the only room to improve is by listen to the all reviews or all comments, not just taking the good one, but even the bad one. The same with trading. If you just look or you journal just the good trade that you did good at, you never be better trader. Before you have to watch out for the stocks or for the trades that went down as well. In order to improve as a trader, you have to take the good and the bad. So let's dive deeper and discuss, of course, Riot first. Look at this. We have accumulation right now over the support that we reversed from back in October. But we started to reverse earlier before that, over the $10. So we held over the $10, and this is good indication for Riot that we'll start to reverse. However, the main question you are here, you want to see or you want to know the first signal for a reversal and entry. Again, this is not a financial advice, everybody. You have to do your due diligence before you put your own money on the line. However, for Riot, the first signal that I'm waiting for Riot to have a reversal and confirmation of a reversal is around the 11.14 cents. You see what's happened here? After this selling pressure, we have the first test back in 18th of January. We have a selling pressure. We have the second test around 6 p.m. and this 22nd of January on Monday, price went down. Again, on Wednesday. So we have 3 tests and the price didn't break. The good thing is we're still holding over the 950 and the 860, which is the bottom for this month and even this year. And of course, the 11.14 should be the first signal. Once we break here, guys, is mean Riot will start the ignition. We might do 15%, 10% easily. Let me just show you how much we're missing right now. We're missing another 5%. Now is almost 5%. So if we have another 5% by pre-market tomorrow, this will be the first signal that Riot will start to reverse. Where? This will be a great question. We're gonna have a nice jump of almost 20% for Riot. If we broke the 1114, we have a resistance or profit taken around the 1350. So this is the first level that we have to test. Then we're gonna have a bit of pullback because it's a 20% jump. So the 1350 we have to visit it pretty soon, maybe next month. Because sorry guys. Before the next month, of course, in February, we might have the test for the 1350 by the next week. So this is the first level that we have to test after we break the 1114, the 1350. After that, of course, we've got the major level around the 1650. So those two levels that we might have a test for in this month or in the next month. So it's really soon. It's like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. As long as we holding this support and break the 1114 first. Next up, we have Coinbase. Here we have a different trend, which is this ascending channel or this triangle that we've been testing around the 12th of January. After that, we have this test around Thursday. And again, here 22nd. So almost 2 weeks. We've been testing this level and we never broke it. So now we have double bottom around the 118. As long as we hold this bottom, guys, over the 112 and over the 118, we're gonna have the breakout pretty soon. Once we have the breakout for Riot, watch out for Coinbase. If it broke this ascending channel, is ready to have a pump up. And this time should be until the 144. And this will give us, let me just check how much we can do. Almost 25, 23%. Between the 144 and the 160, we might have a huge test for Riot. After that, of course, we're gonna have a test for the 200 in the coming few weeks or month. Lastly, we have Mara, guys. This is by far the top gainer in the crypto stocks for today because it's almost 5%. We have at the bottom that we discussed before, as we said, the 1428. This is the bottom for this month, guys. We should hold here. The first signal for reversal, as you can see here, is around the 1723. The same for Riot. We're missing here almost 5%. Exactly. So as you see here, if Mara jumped 20%, Coinbase would jump 20%. If Mara missing 5% to squeeze or give us the first signal, the same, Riot missing 5% to give us a signal to reverse. So the 1723 should be the first signal for a reversal. After that, we're gonna have a jump, the same, almost 20% for Mara to test the first resistance around the 2076 or profit taken, of course. After that, we have the same level for Riot. For Mara is around the 2758. So you see how much we could do here. 19% and almost 50% in the coming few weeks. And of course, this will be even better if we have this breakout with Bitcoin reversing and going higher once again. This will be easier jump and give us the most volatility and easier pump for Mara, Coinbase, and Riot in coming days. So watch out for those level of resistance and the support. But alert, this will be even better, so you don't have to check the chart every second. And this has saved me a lot of time because I got many questions from you guys about how to manage to day trade at the same time, work and like 9 to 5. A lot of you ask me about that, and the best advice I can give you guys by putting alert around those levels, and you don't have to watch the chart. And when you get alerted, you check the chart and either you enter or you take profit for those levels. So watch out for a huge update by tomorrow for Mara and Coinbase and Riot. in the pre-market. First, of course, we're gonna do the pre-market update live streaming and watch list on our Discord and Patreon. And after that, we're gonna do the live streaming 30 minutes before the market open on our YouTube. So join us and let's get ready to hunt for those stocks. Thank you for watching and see you in the next update.